Okay, welcome back, part two. There's a lot of this does appear to have been looked after. It's got like a new starter on it. The core plugs have been done. New hoses, distributor cap, leads and stuff. New fuel pump, alternator. It's been sort of looked after mechanically. So I think what we're going to do is just put a battery on it, see if it will start. I can hear it going in the carbs. Sometimes a little float needle can get stuck in there. Keep topping this up until it sort of stops. There's a reasonable amount in each bowl, you know, 150 mil or so in each one. Probably like a Coke can or something between them and in the pipe. Right, the filter is now filling up, so that's backed up a bit, so the car should be full. They're not dripping. Okay. Up with phone calls. That is full of fuel. Just going to put a length of hose that I can angle down there into an appropriate receptacle. Or if there is fuel in it, it'll be all over the floor. Yeah, not very interesting television still. Right. There we go. Hose into the container. Okay, right, let's see if it'll start. Wonder if you flood it or something. Alright, plugs are wet, so it's getting fuel. I'll just put 4 new plugs in it anyway. Right, yeah, the 2, 3 and 4 are very black. Right, compression test on number 1. number 2. Right, number 3. Right, number 4. Okay, take 2, put some new plugs in. I reckon it should start now, don't you? Yeah, lovely. That is really quiet. Oh, no, I guess that was pretty run out of petrol. Okay, I've tied it a bit higher so that its level is higher. Pretty good. Right, well, I have pumped what was left in the tank. There isn't much in there, so I'll put some petrol in the tank, put a new fuel filter on it, connect that back up, and we'll have a quick look around it. I'll just see if the brakes work. Okay, right, okay, just a update on the colours. Now, I have found, this is the 1972 parts book. Oh, it's not on the back there, the foldery type one. You can see in there, Grasshopper Metallic 162, but that doesn't mention 159. Now, this is in supplement, well, page 23-2, body and paint in the 72 parts book. Now, this is the 71 parts book, and that just has part 22 and part 24. Doesn't have a paint. So, interesting. So, I will take a couple of pictures of this and put it up just for, oh, this is interesting actually. It goes right up to 172. We might have to update the website actually. Yeah, interesting. So, but there was a couple of sites. I will put pictures up in a second and commentate on it if I've got enough chance when I'm editing it, of the other sites that I found. Okay, so it's running right. It's got oil and water in it. The oil's it's a bit black, but it's not, you know, it's not dirty. It's got coolant in there. It looks like it's been looked after. Now, it's not really oily on the top. Check the fluid levels in the brakes and stuff. They're okay. But the strut tops in the back are very good. I said these pockets in the boot floor have been repaired. quite tidily. It's had a new petrol tank. This is one of the later Iranian ones, because you see the spout is sort of vertical and it's got the other little vent on the side as well.